Good morning. Another day in the stock market. In this day, yesterday, Jerome Powell spoke. Today, Tuesday, April 17, the price it will open a little bit above the previous day. Let me share with you the my chart. Yesterday, the price opened below the resistance, go down, goes up, tested the resistance for the second time, go down again. This is a very engulfing. As I saw it, but for lack of determination, I didn't get it. The price go down. As you see in the previous video that I uploaded, I got a input and I exit right here between, like I said, between 4 and 6 red candle in row. It is exit. 40 seconds the market going open. This candle right here, I'm gonna make another video explaining why this candle is so profitable. The price opened above the previous day. Here is the support. If the price goes down and tested the level, the price can go up, or if the price go down and the price can continue going down, or the price can go all the way up, can make a breakout and continue going up. And only trade with a good setup, because today will be a lot of opportunity. If you are prepared for this opportunity, you're going to take advantage. And remember, as Warren Buffett said, the stock market is a device for transferring money for the impatient to the patient. Be part of the group of the people who are patient. Let's see in daily candles. In daily candle, we got 1, 2, 3 red candle. Probably, this is my perception. Probably today, the price is going to close with a red candle or a green candle, because in the stock market, anything can happen at any time. Let's see in 1 hour candle. This candle right here with a long tail above, it is weak rejection. The seller push the price down. In 1 hour candle, we got double bottom 1 and 2. The price is now between the support and the resistance. Let's see what happened in the pre-markets. In the pre-market, the price goes up, goes down. This candle right here, it is again weak rejection with with this long tail above. Let's see in the let's see in the economic calendar for today. Today, April 17. Today, April 17, 11:45. Fed Governor Michael Barr speak. This news probably can be relevant or not. Again, if the price go down and test this level is the support, I will be attentive to see what the price does. Or if the price goes up, hit the resistance, I will be focused to see a bearish engulfing to getting in the market input. And my stop loss will be above the resistance in case if the price goes up, I'm going to accept small losses. On the other hand, again, if the price goes up, I will be attentive for a rebound. This is my analysis for today, April 17.